Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock from Samsung Galaxy S24 Model S921U. So this is a Qualcomm chipset, so it means that we're gonna have to use a EDL cable to do the FRP. And if we go to the SAM firmware over here and write the model, we can check the latest patch is bit 6. But bit 6 is not supported so far on the tool. It is supported only bit 5. It is good to remember that thing. So like I told you, you need to go to EDL mode. So in order to put it on EDL mode, first power off the device completely, and after that wait a few seconds. Then press and hold EDL button on the cable. Press and hold volume up and volume down both together. Connect the cable while holding the EDL button connected. And after that, start, press and release volume up and volume down several times, like 10 to 12 times. And the Qualcomm port should show on the device manager. Now there is one thing, if you see this thing, same as I'm seeing on the video, it means that the device, it is on EDL mode, but we don't have the drivers installed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to install drivers. You need to go to the exact address, tinyurl.com/helpqual. We'll have a MediaFire download link over here. So just click on download, and it is a small file. Once the download starts, will not take long to finish. Okay, so once we download it, you need to open it and you have a folder that is named Qualcomm. Just put it somewhere on the desktop. This way it will be easy for you to find it. The next thing, we're gonna update the driver. Right click on the driver, hit update driver, browse from my computer manually, tap on browse, and we're gonna find the Qualcomm folder which is already on our desktop. Tap on OK and then click on next over here. Okay, the drivers are installing. We're gonna click install this driver anyway, and in a couple of seconds it should be okay. If you see same thing like I'm seeing on the right, it means that the drivers are installed properly and you are good to go. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna download the tool. The tool, it is called TSM Tol. So just go on Google and write download TSM Tol. This is the official site of the TSM. It might take a bit to load. Okay, so here we are. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the three lines on the upper left corner, tap on main, and then tap on the download, which is third from the bottom. And there are two options of the software. So we're gonna select the second tool, okay? Select the second one, and I'm gonna choose one of the servers for download. Mega Download is quite fast server for the download, so I chose that one. Tap on download, and on the bottom left corner, you will see the download progress. It is a small file. It should be downloaded very fast. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the folder where it is downloaded. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna need an opener. If you don't have it, I'm gonna use the 7-zip because this is something that it works pretty well. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the 64 bits in order to open it. Tap yes. Okay, install and close. That's it. So the 7-zip opener is already installed. Right click on the TSM Tool Pro, go to 7-zip and then open archive. Once we have opened it, we have the installation file over here. So just double click on it and then hit open. Tap on more info, run anyway. So Windows is trying to block it because sometimes Windows does not allow this kind of softwares, but it is all okay. Tap on next. Don't forget to create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. And the last thing, we're gonna hit run the application. We're gonna check the run application and then hit finish. Tap on yes on this option over here, and the tool will automatically start itself. And besides that, it will give a couple of ads. This is a paid tool, like I'm saying, this is a paid tool, and if you have only one or a few devices, you can just read it on the website elviral.company.site. This way, you will get your device done, and you will also save some money because you will not need to buy the subscription for 1 year. Okay, I just signed in with the details I've got from this website, and it will go to the main menu real fast now. You see, it is pretty simple software. The Qualcomm port is already detected, and on the base we're gonna search for the model, which in our case right now it is S921U, and it supports up to bit 5 so far. Okay, and then click on remove FRP, and on a couple of seconds the software will do the work and the FRP will be done. At the end you should see what I'm saying, removing FRP, okay. And also we can check that the security patch, it is S921U Bit 5 over here on the bootloader. So it means that it will work up to bit 5. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video will be helpful.